Hi everyone, we are undergraduate students of Triple IT Vadodara. We have made a project, GitBSC, which utilizes Binance Smart Chain and Chainlink Oracle to build a decentralized platform to reward open source contributors. Every year, there are events like Hacktoberfest and also some platforms to reward open source contributions for bounties, but they are not truly decentralized. These platforms have to deploy bots to track the commits made and then they perform the transactions. Git BSC removes the need of having these platforms and utilizes Chainlink Oracle to solve it. An organization will have to register on the platform and set the amount of Web20 tokens, which in our case are named as Doge tokens, which it wants to reward. Now, a contributor will commit on the organization's GitHub repo and he will have to prefix the public key to his commit message. Then, the contributor will call the contract on the Binance Smart Chain and provide info of the repo to has contributed on also his commit hash. Now, Chainlink Oracle will make an external API call to GitHub API and fetch the wallet address on the commit message and check if the smart contract caller's address match with that. If yes, then the contributor will be awarded with the decided Web20 tokens or also known as Doge tokens. Now let us go through organization register. Now, as we can see, I have entered my organization name Baka Otaku and my repo name. I will enter paired. I have entered my private key so that Doge tokens can be detected and logged into the smart contract. And I will choose the number of Doge tokens to be rewarded per contribution. In this case, it's 2. And I will choose how many maximum people can get it. It is 10. And now I will register. Now the transaction is being performed on the Binance Smart Chain. Yeah, as we can see, organization has been successfully registered. Now let us get through the flow from a participant's view. Yeah. Now let us say I'm a hacker and I have contributed to the repo. I will enter the organization's name, Baka Otaku. I will enter the repo name paired. I will fetch the commit hash from the repo which I've contributed. Now just I will enter my private key. Yeah. Uh, Meanwhile, we can go to GitHub. Just we can go to GitHub and see that the Chainlink Oracle will fetch that my public key from my commit message and then verify whether the sender has this public key or not, and then reward me with the decided number of Doge tokens. Now let's go back to claim reward. Yeah, it has been successfully done. That's it from our side. Thank you.